Hi there and welcome back. It's Tanya from Tatty Treasures. I'm going to do a flip through of this journal that I've been making last week, and it's using the kit that me and Nanine did a collaboration on, and we've called it Memories of the Meadow. And it's a beautiful kit. They're actually book pages, the images are, and you know, they're copyright free and then obviously we've designed it around them, and we chose mainly pinks and blues and purples. So it's a hard cover. I made the cover with a cover piece which comes in the kit. It's got two sewn in signatures and it's got an insert which is on with this elastic. I've done stamping and splashes and it's got this crocheted lace, and then it's got gilding polish around the edges in a bronze, and then some bronze corner pieces, a nice bronze book plate there with field notes on it, some crocheted, and that's a lacy little pieces which I've put pearls on, and a little number there, and I've just added some butterflies. This is a tassel which can be kept on or taken off. It does actually hold in the writing board which is in the inside cover. Just stuck a little bow. It's just one of the little Tim Holtz clips, and yeah, just used all colours what I thought went with the journal nicely. So we'll just pop that to one side. So we'll open it up, and this is the writing board which has obviously fell off. We made a vellum little envelope for it, put this frill on and a material snippet, stamped out writing board and sewed that on, and then just put a sticker. And it's just a really hard board that you can put underneath your pages to write on. So there's nothing on it, no bumps or anything. And again, I just put the gilding polish, and they're all papers from the kit. I don't think I've used anything else. If I have, I will point it out. I have got some butterflies from Artie Mays and Tina at Shabby Dabby Doodah, and some of Tina's numbers as well. So I've made all these pieces. Let me move that because it's got to shine, on video, and there is a playlist which will be in the description. So we've got a CD envelope there with a card, and I've put some of the Tim Holtz wild flowers, and I'd splattered them, and one of the labels, and a butterfly and a label there. This has got acetate in the window, and then at the back there's a big tall card. So this was one of the plain cards from the kit, and I've just done a collage and ripped around. We've got like a sheet of rip around like fussy cuts, and I've put some cotton there, and just nature and a little tab, so that goes in there. Got the William Morris paper inside, which is from the kit, and then I've put this material what I'd tea stained. We've got a circle pocket and tag again which I splashed, and I've got Tim Holtz from the field notes ephemera, and that's a ticket from probably Stationery Pal or something, and you can find them in my description with a coupon code. Got a bit of material and lace there, and a butterfly and a word. all the pages have been inked. It's got a bit of washi tape there. Got this decoupage envelope. Again, did that on video. And these are from an Edith Holden CD ROM. Got a Tina number little washi strip there from Your Creative Studio. I think these was from Your Creative Studio as well. That's a piece from the kit. Got a glassine bag which I decoupaged on it and put a word. And then this was a piece from 49 and Market, and I backed it and did some decoupage on, and that's a Tina label number. So that goes there. Got 2 plain pages, just put a bit of something on each one. This was an old notebook, what I'd just got the cover left, so I just collaged in, put a little coin envelope there. I didn't put a hole in, so it's really difficult to I didn't try very much, but I found it difficult to put anything in there, so I didn't. And there's some collage around here and a Tina butterfly. Just put a little decoration there, a little bit of washi. This is a book page from, is it the Henry Terry Victorian Garden or something. So that's the middle of the first signature. This is another decoupage. It's a time card, so I just folded it in half, put some of the plain papers in to be able to write on, and then we've got a decoupaged tag there. So that's that. This is the other side of that notebook. We've just got a little pocket and a decoupaged music page with a flower fairy. And then just got a little snippet down here. This is a little, and you can see the page through. Oh dear. That's that. Okay. Couple of planes. Got that to match that page. We've got a to-do list. That's the other side of the decoupage thing, and we've got another fairy tag there. And just put a couple of bits on there. And we've reached the end of the first signature. This is the insert, which obviously it can be taken out because, you know, that's quite thick. We've got a notebook just with plain tea-stained paper. There's 40 sides in there. And let me think how many. I think there's 64 sides in both of these journals. So just put some stickers on. Got a little book plate with notebook there. This is another one of the decoupage pieces with 2 Edith Holden cards, which was from the CD-ROM. There you go there. And then in this side we've got bits and bobs, and it's just an empty envelope. So as you're working through your journal and stuff, you can put bits and bobs in there, like it says on its label. So this is the second signature. Got another tiny little one there. That's the small CD ones, 2 to a page, so it makes them even tinier. Another Edith Holden. This foxglove in this really does remind me of the Edith Holden one. Another sticker. That's the first side of that decoupage one. We've got a flower fairy playing card, and we've got a little tuck there with a piece of kit ephemera. Okay, got this double pocket, got a tag there, and then I've just collaged up that guest check. So that goes there. What did I say? Never take the tags out on a flip through. I don't know why they do it. These pockets are printed out like, I think, 2 to a page to get them tinier than those ones, and then I made them into double pockets. That's another one of those notebooks, and we've got I'm not going to take it out, decoupage journal card there, a little bit of a cluster. Yeah, that's a piece from 49 Market. Another book page, that's the middle of that signature. Another Edith Holden. Got another one of the fairy tags with the decoupage and the flower fairy, and I've decoupaged on this glassine bag, and I think there's just a Rolodex card in there which I've decoupaged. Don't learn, do I? So put that there. That's the other side of that notebook. And we've got one of the Tim Holtz slot pockets. Done some decoupage in there. This is on a tea-stained one. We've got a couple of Edith Holden bits, and then some ephemera from the kit. And I think that's one of the journal cards which I've shrunk down, probably two to a page. Come on, that's it. That's the other side. That's from the kit. And then the back, we've got this postcard, and it opens up like that, so you can write on it. It says my thoughts, and it opens up like so. And we've got a pocket there. That's one of the double journal cards, and I've just put a stamp in there. And this is an index card which I've stenciled on and just done a little bit of a collage there. So that's pocket, and I've put stamps on the postcards. There's some stamps what I did with my ink stamps. And then the final page, I've got another one of those large tags. This one opens again. I've stamped it and done some collage. And then we've got the cotton and quiet, and we've got one of those scrappy pads that we made, which you could either write on or use for your own collage. Just got some leaf trim and a little flower with a pearl there. Then this lovely envelope, I made this in, I was doing some things with 6x6 papers, and I put some Edith Holden book page on the front. I've got some of the Tim Holtz dies which are splattered, and then a label there from the kit with some decorators paper. We've got a ruffle, same ruffle with some fluffy trim. This is a little wooden piece. They're quite slim, and it's a little dragonfly. And again, we've got the, I was going to say Edith Holden, William Morris paper on the back, and inside there's 3 of these, and these are index cards, and they've been decoupaged. So that is that. Thoroughly enjoyed making it. All the pieces obviously were made right at the beginning of the month, and yeah, we've spent the last week putting this journal together, and it is the first hardback one that I've done, and it's the first one I've done without elastics, you know, more than 2 signatures. So yeah, really enjoyed it, and very happy how it's turned out. I've not put a closure on the front because I just think it will make the cover bend. It's obviously not as chunky as this if you take that middle part out, but it actually sits on a shelf really, really nice. Let me just move the camera. So I think that would look lovely on someone's shelf. Okay, so thank you so much for joining me, and thank you to all those who have been to mine or Nanine's shop, or both of them, and bought the kits. I hope you've really enjoyed them. We will do an add-on to it at some point. We have got another kit coming out in about, I don't know, six weeks. That'll be the last kit that I do a collaboration on this year, but we're going to bring an add-on for each of the 3 kits that we've done. I'm hoping that'll be this year, but we'll have to see, because yeah, it's fastly approaching end of summer, and I know a lot of people are already thinking about fall projects and things. So I just feel like I've got into the summer mode. I feel as if I'm a bit behind, but I'm not bothered. I could carry on summer through autumn, couldn't I, if I wanted? And I don't really do Christmas ones, so yeah, I'm going to carry on with summer for a bit longer, because it's definitely summer outside. So thank you, and I shall see you tomorrow. These will, well, this, if it's not sold, it will be in the Etsy tomorrow, along with the William Morris material softback, and the other William Morris soft cover with the tassel and the pencil, because I've just not had time to put them in, and they're very chunky too. So yeah, if I've still got them, whatever I've got left will go in on Tuesday. Okay, so we'll be starting a file folder with the rest of this kit, and the rest of the ephemera I've got. I don't know if I'll have to make a few more bits, but yeah, we're going to do a file folder, and then I'm going to do some Edith Holden, I think, because I've not done Edith Holden this year yet. So yeah, I'm going. Bye for now.